See, is how I break down pieces for my students. You'll notice that there's a long one. It's in blue. This is the musical period. For those who don't know, a musical period is a long sentence that contains little sentences. Okay? So you see, long sentence, but within the long sentence, there's three little ones. Long sentence, but within the long sentence, there's three little ones. Okay? Now, talking about strategic planning, you can even see I put 5 times rule here, which tells my student that they're going to practice 5 times right hand and left hand and both hands for next week. And by the next week after that, they're going to finish the piece. So we plan it from the get-go. Now, I know that Muso students are a bit hardcore. They all practice 1 to 2 hours a day. So if you've got students who don't practice that hard, but they still practice, you can actually split it a little bit. Maybe first week 3 lines. Yeah? And then add on 2 lines, 2 lines. Just tailor it a little bit to your student's situation. Great. And then our next slide, we're going to talk about how we actually dissect it with just the first 4 lines. It's not rocket science. A lot of people think they have to copy exactly what I do, and that's the only way for them to learn. But you guys can do it yourselves. Have a listen. Why was that a first prize performance? Let's go through it together. The first thing you have to do is sing with your student. Let's all do it together. The first part. One more time, go. It's not rocket science. Your chin naturally went up and your chin naturally went down. That's so easy. Color code. Get your yellow or whatever color you want to mark the little phrase. The next part. Okay, that feels like 1. Whoa, that hit me in the face. That's a long one. Okay, let's make this one the longest. But when we sing, longer phrases and higher phrases tend to be louder. So we should make this third one the biggest. And we should make the first one okay, second one smaller. Why? Paraphrase. For those who don't know what a paraphrase is, it's just the same version of that, but it's something different. And it's a short paraphrase. So it doesn't make sense to make this a lot softer or louder than the first part. So let's listen to it one more time. Third time, biggest. And you can even see I took a little bit of time, just a little, to make it Baroque on the third one, because I want my judge to know which one is the most important. Now let's go through how to teach it.